Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm going to have the Elysian Space Dust IPA. This is made in, Seattle, Washington. And just read a little bit here. I actually brought my glasses this time. Brewed by Elysian Brewing Company, Seattle, Washington. Indian Pale Ale. The hopping is pure Starglow energy with Chinook to bitter and late and dry additions of Citra and Amarillo. Tells you about the brew house. Elysian Brewing Company operates the neighborhood locations in the city of Seattle, including brew pubs, a tap room, and a production brewery. Known for innovative and classic styles, Elysian has brewed over 500 recipes since opening in 1996 and has won Large Brewpub of the Year 3 times. All right, and this is 8.2% alcohol by volume, 73 IBUs. It has Chinook, Citra, and Amarillo for the hops, and the malts are Pale, C15, and Dextra Pills. So let's get this open. Oh, little smoke in there. All right, as you can see, it pours pretty nice. Try to get the bottle in there. Nice head. Little carbonation going on in there. It's like a golden. It is golden, like a dark golden color. Now I can see lots of carbonation. It is a little hazy. You can barely see my fingers in there. Smells delicious. A little floaty in there from. I guess there might be some sediment in there. We'll find out here in a little bit. Anyway, it smells citrusy. It smells good. I've had this before, so. Again, Elysian Brewing Company opened in 1996, Seattle, Washington. And they were purchased by ABV in January 2015. So they're actually no longer considered a microbrew. So, nice, decent smell. Very enjoyable. Kind of complex there on the tongue. Finish is real dry and piney at the finish. Got a slight smooth. Well, not a slight. It's a smooth, very smooth at the front. Kind of fruity. And then finishes off real dry. I mean, you get that quick smoothness and a little bit of fruit, and then right into the dry. It's not overwhelming. Kind of piney finish. That's really good. It sits on the tongue there for a little bit. It's a good beer. It's put together real well. As you can see, it looks real golden with the light shining behind it there. They make some good beers. Had some others. I don't really remember which ones I've had though. Try to see if I can find a date on here real quick. I don't see one on the bottle anywhere. Oh, excuse me. And I don't see one on the label anywhere either. So this is, how many ounces is this? It's 1 pint. Should have known that. Well, I'm not a hop expert, but I think the Chinook is the dryness that you get, the piney dryness. And the Citra and the Amarillo is the fruit, citrusy fruit. This is a good beer. It's very enjoyable. We're going to let this sit for a minute, warm up, take a little break, and see if we still get the same things or if we get something different. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let this warm up just a few minutes. A lot of times that brings out more of that citrusy flavor. Yeah, it definitely almost like mellowed out. The piney finish there is kind of mellowed out. I say that, but now, before when you swallow, right as you swallowed, you got that almost instant dryness. But now since it's warmed up, it's more fruity. You swallow, and then you get the dryness. It's very noticeable. Nice lacing. Again, I'm having the Elysian Space Dust IPA with the hop cone on there. Hop cones always remind me of artichokes. I don't know why. So kind of crazy. Another real good one I just remembered I had. And what reminded me of that was the little bit of glow and sparkle you get. You can see that with the tongue and, you know, the whatever that's coming out of his mouth there. You kind of a sparkle. But the Elysian Day Glow. I love this bottle because of the glow coming out of his eyes. The Day Glow looks like disco. So that was pretty cool. But anyway, I won't keep this going too long. I recommend it. Let's just say 1 out of 5. I would give this a 4. I would definitely buy it again. Very enjoyable. I don't see anything hanging around down there at the bottom. So, if you like citrusy IPAs that finish off really dry, piney finish, this will be for you. Y'all have a good night, and hope you had a good weekend.